Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5065789. So the first step is to run this SFC and DISM command. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app and make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. And then paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete over here, then you can run the second scan. So let this scan complete. Once it is 100%, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update and then click on pause over here. And this may take some time. Now once paused, now click on resume update and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. And then again make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart and then you can check. Now try to update it once again. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5065789 over here, and then click on search. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. And then over here you can see in my case it's version 24H2. And check what kind of system you have. You can go to system in Windows settings, go to about option. And in my case here you can see 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 25H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then on this screen click on KB5065789 and then you can, once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can just follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update option. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update option, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option, go to recovery option over here, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved, and then click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done you should be able to update. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see the screen. Click on accept over here, accept, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option and let this close automatically. Do not close this manually. Once you click on finish, it will take few seconds to close and then you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. So make sure this is checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, and then click on install. After the installation, you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.